at Nassarawa State, very close to Abuja, for just delivered 2 units, the industrial capacity for a hotel. This is 2,000. This is 4,000 liters capacity that is constructed. That is for this building. As you can see, that's a hotel. This is 40 rooms. 60 rooms hotel. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. This is the tank. This is SOLWAH solar water heater tank, densely insulated. This is the storage tank. We are here to do installation, to take it up to the roof of the hotel. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny Solar Water Heater of RODOTREP Integrated Services Limited. Right soon, we will take these tanks up to the roof. This is 2,000 liters, densely insulated tank. This is 2,000 liter capacity. This is 2,000 liters capacity, making 4,000 liters for 60 rooms. Remember, this is solar water heater tank, densely insulated to retain the temperature of the water. We'll keep you posted on the progress as we go on.
What is it? I'll come and get that.
Now we've dragged the tank, 2,000 liters, up to the roof of the building. As you can see, this is the first one. Here are the tanks for water, cold water. Then this is SOLWAH solar water heater, densely insulated tank for 2,000 liters capacity, hotel specification. Okay, as you can see, the tank is already up. The first one is here, while this is the second one. About it pulled up, about pulling it up and stationing them down here. This is where they're going to be stationed, like I told us before. This is where they're going to be stationed. One here, another one here. Then here are the pipes. These pipes are taking the hot water into this wing, while this pipe is taking hot water into this wing. Then here, this roof is where the bracket for the evacuated glass tube will be installed. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny Solar Water Heater. Call us on the following numbers displayed on your screen. We are RODOTREP and we are very good, just good at what we do. My name is Ebenezer Okoye once again. They call me Benny Solar Water Heater. Thank you. So the two tanks are here now. So we are done for today. The next stage is to harvest, connecting them to the supply. See that? So this is SOLWAH solar water heater. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. You call me Benny Solar Water Heater of RODOTREP Integrated Services Limited. We are RODOTREP. Let's go. Call us on the following numbers displayed on your screen. This hotel is a 61-room hotel. A 61-room hotel. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. Call me Benny Solar Water. Thank you.